In a major move, the United States has taken action against 15 Chinese companies that are linked to supplying high-tech electronics parts used in drones by Iranian-backed groups like Hamas and the Houthis. That's right, these drones, some of which attacked Israel, have been found with American-made components, and Washington is saying that these companies helped these militants get hold of critical technology. Well, the US Commerce Department, they added that 10 Chinese companies to its restricted trade list, officially called the Entity List, meaning that these companies will now face strict limits on buying the US technology. Well, the crackdown comes after the devastating attack by Hamas on October 7th, 2023, when hundreds of drones were recovered by Israel's military. Some of these drones tragically killed over 1,200 people and escalated the Gaza war as well. The US also added 5 more Chinese firms after investigations revealed that their involvement is there in supplying components used in these weaponized drones. But you know what? China isn't the only country that is involved. Firms in Turkey and the UAE, they were also added to that list, showing that this is a global network of companies helping militants access the advanced drone technology. Now, among the companies affected are Aero China Electronics and Aero Electronics in Hong Kong. Well, these are subsidiaries of Aero Electronics, a huge US-based distributor that had about $28 billion in the global sales in 2024. Aero says that it has been following export rules and is working with the US authorities to reduce distribution for its business partners. But still, the US is signaling that helping the militant groups, even indirectly, will not be tolerated. Experts explain that this isn't just about punishing companies, it is about national security here. The drones that were used by Hamas and the Houthis were sophisticated enough to strike critical targets, showing how access to United States technology can escalate the conflict, and that too quickly. By placing these companies on the entity list, Washington is essentially cutting off their ability to buy American electronics, and that too without permission, making it much harder for the militant groups to build more drones. In the end, the US is sending a strong warning. Any company anywhere in the world that helps militants get American technology will face serious consequences now. Analysts say that this whole move also highlights the growing international struggle to control high-tech weapons, showing how modern conflicts are no longer just fought on battlefields but also in factories and supply chains.